cupcakes. Yeah, they're kind of cool. They're all different. You want the one with the M&Ms on it?
What did you just say, Tommy? Today's what?
Today's the M&Ms.
Yeah, there you go.
Today's what, Tommy?
Yeah, you can have that.
Tommy, what is today? Are you just sampling all the cupcakes?
You want to taste them all? You can. They're your cupcakes.
Tommy, how old are you?
4.
Are you?
Yes.
What is today?
Well,
Today is...
Here, let's take the paper off.
your birthday.
There's cream in the middle.
What is it?
Your birthday. Happy birthday, dear Tommy.
Happy birthday to you. Wait, so just say, it's my birthday.
And my birthday.
Hooray. Big boy. And guess whose birthday's coming up?
Mine is in June. It's coming up.
Sweet.
So, you have to think of something for my present, okay? It has to be Lego Star Wars, okay? I repeat, Lego Star Wars that I have to get.
Okay, can you just say excuse me for the burp?
Excuse me. The end.
Hi, happy birthday.
Say hi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Hi, happy birthday.